Okay, Dad.
Okay. Yeah, you're walking around carrying a knife. It looks a little psycho.
Yes, Dad is gonna. All right. What?
Okay, today's a big day, guys.
We're gonna unbox.
We're gonna unbox, and it's a surprise, and it's pretty exciting because it's not really a surprise.
Yeah,
and
it's a
the plates that we
surprise.
have are quite damaged, and in fact are like bacteria magnets. And so we want new plates.
Stop, get it over with. Yeah, we're gonna get this over with. Hey, stop it, Peter.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh, bubble wrap.
Those belong to you now.
Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do, boy.
Yeah, you can take them outside. Okay, Danny, your camera work has just gone to pieces. Okay, we get the first. It's silverware that hasn't gone in the dish disposal. I'm pretty excited by that.
It's you.
Look at that. Okay, look. Focus on the silverware.
Whoa.
It's flatware.
Artificial color.
It is very artificial. There's nothing real about those colors at all. It is all plastic, molded, injected plastic. That is, oh my gosh, Peter, it sounds like. Okay.
Stop it.
Oh, Miss Fireworks.
Okay, now. Oh, look at these plates, kids. It's just like Christmas morning.
They're yellow.
If you like plates, they're not yellow, sweetheart. They're daffodil.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. It says daffodil.
Well, that's a rip-off.
It's still yellow. They are yellow. It's just a type of yellow.
Just look at those black plates. Those are gooder.
Those aren't black. They're eggplant.
Yeah.
Or, pardon me, they're mulberry.
Nope, those black.
Okay.
Wait, Dad, no, don't leave.
Okay, you know what? This box is
this is not
Okay. Oh, check it out. Mulberry, and then underneath them, you know what color that is? What color is that?
It's seaweed.
No, close.
Green.
It's shamrock. It's not just green. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much bubble wrap.
Oh my God,
You
this
can
is
make this box
Christmas.
into a fort.
Yeah. Yes, sport
The
box.
box now belongs to you.
Thank you.
Okay, where's that knife?
I'll be
on the
taking
cup.
that.
Oh, good, perfect. That's
Hey
just
guys,
what you want.
I
Okay.
need a picture with you with the knife, and I need you to look like psychopath. I can't see with the knife. Oh, there you are. That's creepy. All right, get on.
Okay.
Go.
All right, now let's open this one up. This is going to be so exciting as well because it's like exactly the same stuff except more of it. Danny, you got to focus on how exciting this is. There's going to be more bubble wrap.
More bubble wrap.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. So much bubble wrap. Oh,
Get all the good stuff out. Bubble wrap.
Oh, my gosh. Guess what this is? Guess what color that is?
Meg, you are aware that we're a family of 5, right?
There's 8 place settings, so in case we have guests, we have a couple extra place settings.
Whoa. I'm just going to we let him kick. Yeah, we don't care.
Hey, you're the one that needed all of our cookware replaced. I'm not the spendthrift, profligate weirdo here.
Ow.
What color is this, guys?
Ow.
Tell me what color it is.
Orange?
It's poppy. It's poppy.
Stop it, Mom.
Okay. All right, now. Here is the coup de grace, the piece de
That sounds kind
resistance,
of gross.
the denouement,
I don't want
fin
to
de cycle.
Oh my God, guys, don't fuck the bubble wrap.
Yeah, you can take the bubble wrap outside, but then it has to go in the garbage. Okay, here's another box that's going to be made into a fort.
Oh my gosh.
And I believe that's for this particular. Hey, buddy,
We're going to do Fortnite box.
Okay, I think that's all.
Here you go, Charlie.
All right, let's
Okay.
go. What?
Okay, video over.
What?
Okay, guys.
You're not going to do this one?
Oh, I can do that one. All right, this is your dad's box. I care less about this one.
Oh.
All right.
See what's here.
Oh, check it out.
Whoa, it's blue.
Check it out.
Blue.
It's blue. Putter.
Finally, some normal colors.
Actually, I believe it's cobalt. Or something.
Come on.
Okay.
Finally, the normal
There's
colors.
Dad. Look at that. Cook and strain.
So cool.
You got yourself here a steamer. You got yourself here a pan of some type.
Okay, now
A wok?
destroy it.
A wok.
Let's get this
Is
baby
that
out.
really a wok? That's just a pan. I don't think that's a. Okay,
Let's
I'm
get this
gonna put-
baby out. We need to
Alright.
get this baby out, you guys.
Yeah, I'll help get the baby out. And then, so the boxes,
We call you the midwife.
can you, yes.
I'm a midwife, boy.
Okay. I'm going to try to get this out without damaging anything. Here we go. Ooh, invoice enclosed. I already paid for it.
Those are Macy's.
It is Macy's, but it was because there was a very, 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 very good sale. Or else we wouldn't be spending money on these sorts of things. Or anything. Okay, I can't get this darn box out.
Ah! Hey, wait, we may need to open the bottom too.
Yeah, we may need the jaws of life.
We may need to open the bottom. Okay.
This is one of the most exciting boxing videos ever.
Oh my god.
Because I'm in a wrestling match with cookware. Okay. Here we go. Actually, it's not clear to me that there is... Oh, here's what's in here. A fry pan with a pour spout. A smaller frying pan with a pour spout. An attachable strain. Oh my god, that's genius.
What is?
An attachable strainer so you can tilt the thing and let the
Yeah.
water out and keep the stuff in the pot.
Yeah.
Well,
We started
That's
with boxes
brilliant.
in the living
Yeah.
room.
I've never heard of that.
Splat,
before. That's
they've
great.
got some slotted spoons, a Dutch oven, got nothing wrong with that. Covered saucepan, another covered saucepan, and yet a third covered saucepan. We still have to keep our strainer.
Get out, get out, get out,
Yeah.
get out, get out, get out, get out.
So we have to decide. Okay, I believe that we have hit. Oh, here is, by the way, the Fiesta ware. So I made it so that we had Fiesta ware.
Get out, get out here.
So
Of course
there's-
you did.
I did. I am pleased by this turn of events. Now we have a rainbow, and I never have to look at those damn sunflowers again because I can't take it. I can't take it.
Let's post this on YouTube.